Alright, I just posted a video of the supercharger and all that running, but I'm going to take it off because I'm going to sell it when I'm just going to run the Dart Iron Eagle heads on it and get rid of these, which are basically 882s, just a copy of them. They're made Mexico heads. And yeah, the supercharger kind of bugs me. I know this is all cast bottom end, cast crank rods, pistons. This motor shouldn't have a heavy boost on it. So I'm just going to sell it. Probably going to try to get 1,500 of it. It's the polished one. I think they're like almost $3,000 new for this setup. I might run a different carb, but it might be too much of a carb for normally aspirated. It's a 770 Street Avenger. But I'll run it first to see how it works on a normally aspirated setup. But anyway, yeah, I'm getting rid of the supercharger. And right now I've drained the coolant, fuel lines undone. I gotta get that bracket undone. Luckily the air conditioning system's brand new, it's never been charged, so I just unbolted it and got it out of the way. Anyway, I gotta go to work in a couple hours tonight, so when I get off in the morning I'll finish this up, or I might sleep for a few hours anyway. I'm gonna pull this off, and I don't think I'm gonna pull the heads off yet, so it'll be a couple more weeks before I get those off a buddy of mine. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the supercharger so I can put it up for sale on eBay. But anyway, yeah, this will be the last time you see it on the motor.